What's going on, team? What's up, traders? Hope you all having a good time. It's Rafael back again, and in today's video we are going to talk about my trading session on Friday and the trading session on Monday, yesterday, and of course today's trading session as well. And I'm going to give away the Genius Trading Masterclass course plus lifetime membership inside the inner circle of our team. Or if you're already inside the team and you win this today, you are going to get a $10,000 FTMO challenge. So yeah, I told you guys, all you had to do is drop comments under my last 2 YouTube videos. And if you did that, then make sure to stick until the end. So you know, if you're one of the lucky winners today. Let's see, I'm going to pick 2 winners for the 2 videos. And wish you good luck, guys. All right, team, let's get into the charts. So on Friday, guys, this was Friday's movement. And I mean, the last 2 weeks on Friday, I think, was always bullish movement. So I was like, okay, maybe this Friday, like last Friday, maybe this Friday, we are going to see some selling pressure as we still had on the daily time frame. We still had a lot of lows here, a lot of significant lows that need to get broken. And overall, if you look at the daily time frame, guys, the market is in a huge bearish downtrend. As you can see, this is Tuesday's, this is Monday's movement, and this is Friday's movement. So I really expected Friday to maybe even reach this low in here. So I was trying to sell this thing on Friday, and let's see what we had on the smaller time frames. So let's see what was happening on the 1 minute time frame, guys. So what was happening here? So at around 8:30, New York session started. At around 9:30, the algorithm started to kick in. So we had the beautiful push. I mean, the market overnight was constantly moving downward, right? And I was looking for a sell opportunity. And what I really loved about this setup here is that we already took out some liquidity above this high in here. We took it out, and then as you can see, the market beautifully broke the structure. As you can see, market broke the structure in here, and on the pullback I decided to step into the game, stop above the high, and then I think I took my first profit around in this area in here, and then I took some more. Then I took some more off the table somewhere in this area around 11,300. I think big figure number 300 was where I took most of my positions off the table. And when the market started to reverse, I got out and I finished the day. So Friday was easy, was 1 trade, 1 kill, easy bucket. And then, I mean, the market was dropping even further, so we could have holded this one for a much bigger win. But I like to pay myself at the easiest targets because I'm getting in and out pretty quick. I'm very impatient. I'm not a patient trader. Swing trading is not for me, so I'm completely focusing on day trading, and most of my trades are between 10 minutes to 1 hour. Like my best trades are pretty short. So let's talk about Monday. Monday was not so easy. Took a lot of trades. I think I lost 3 trades, and then the 4th trade was a winner and bring me back to break even pretty much. Like Monday was not that good. Well, I was really thinking that, I mean, we had like early session, we had like a beautiful push to the upside, and I expected the market. I mean, I was a little bit too late. I was not at the charts at around 9:30. I was a little bit late, but I was really looking for a push above Friday's high. I wanted to see something like that. I thought we are early. I thought we were going to see early week bullish pressure, and then the rest of the week more downward movements. So that's why I tried to buy on Monday. And as you can see, we had this beautiful strong push at around 9:30, and then the market came back slowly, right? And then as soon as we hit this area in here where we had this push, the origin of that move, this is when I saw like a break of structure in here, and on the pullback I stepped into the game, got stopped out. So I waited a little bit, then we had another beautiful break of structure in here, so I decided to step into the game again, and then later on I got stopped out on this one as well. Then I took a third entry. I don't know, I think it was somewhere in here. But yeah, the market was pretty much just consolidating. And when it came for the last liquidity grab, this was when we had a little bit stronger push to the upside, like a really nice break of structure in here. Man, you cannot see when I'm above with the mouse. Fuck this shit. Okay, I'm deleting these. So trade number 4, as you can see, market was breaking structure in here. I took my entry somewhere in here on the pullback. I stepped into the game again, and then I decided to take everything off the table somewhere above this area in here. The market was not moving my way. I was just trying to get all the losses back with this trade. So this one was good loaded up. I closed it, and yeah, it was a winner. Made me break even for the Monday. And so what we had on Tuesday, guys. So Tuesday was today, and I was just looking at it, and on 9:30 when the New York session started, when the algorithm started to kick in, we just got above yesterday's high, above Monday's high, and then we had a break of structure, strong shift in structure. Plus we had this beautiful gap in here, and I was trading off that gap. Took that sell in here, stop above this high, and I took first profits around this significant low in here. This is where I took a little bit of my profits off the table, and the market came back. Then I took another entry in here, and then I closed it again somewhere around in this area in here. As you can see, the market would have easily hit my biggest target, but I was not patient enough to sit on my hands and just wait it out. So yeah, I closed a little bit early on that one, but I shared this one with everybody inside the free Telegram channel. So if you're not inside the free Telegram channel yet, make sure to check the link down below in the description. Join the free Telegram chat. Sometimes I'm sharing some trading ideas in there. And yeah, that's pretty much it for the last three trading days. Now it's time to give away the Genius Trading Masterclass course, guys. I'm going to pick 2 winners in a second. Guys, you really need to check the course curriculum. This course has everything inside that you need to become a consistently profitable trader. So if you're thinking about a career, if you're serious about that, then make sure to get into the course. Check this out, all right? So the first video was this one. This was my last video, but let's pick the first winner here for the duplicate users. So what we have in here. How many unique commenters? We have 546 unique commenters. So let's pick the first winner. If you win this and you're already inside, guys, you're gonna get the $10,000 FTMO challenge. So the first winner is Buzi Mlongo Maji. Make sure to drop me a message in Telegram. Send me a screen record video where you can edit the exact comment. I want to see that you can edit the comment, and if I see that, I'm going to get you inside. Let's get it, buddy. So the next video, this one over here. So let's see how many unique commenters we have under this one. 425. Let's pick the winner. Last winner for the day. So yeah, let's see who is it. France Simon, my G. Make sure to drop me a private message with your screen record video. I want to see how you can edit the comment. And if you can do that, I'm gonna get you inside the course, and we're gonna get it cracking, buddy. Let's get it, man. And let's see what we got for the rest of the week. For now, I'm good in profit. Everything is fine. And yeah, wish you a great day, guys. Talk to you soon. Peace.
Every time I